Hey guys, Sunny here. So, good morning to you guys, first of all. And it's Wednesday, December 9th. And, like if you saw my video yesterday, I was pretty hopeful that the natural gas prices will rise as, the charts indicate that the trend has reversed. So, this morning, sure enough, I woke up and my account had um, profits as I expected yesterday. I ended up buying like 300 shares last night after hours, and this morning I've been adding to my position. As I see the dips, I've been adding to my position. Um, as of now, it pulled back a little bit, but as of now, it looks like it's continuing to go up. Um, like if there might be a little dip here and there, but the general direction is up. So I'm just adding to my positions. I plan to keep. So right now I have like 2,100 shares. Like I plan to keep 1,000 overnight because I think that it's gonna continue to rise for like next couple of days. I looked around and I saw that the estimated storage for this week, sorry, for last week, will dip about 70-80 BCF. So that's quite bullish for natural gas. Last week and the week before had been a bit cold, on the cold side. So it's not a surprise that there is a big draw like that. But it's normal for this time of the year. It's not out of ordinary. So uh, that might play into the prices. So like at least until tomorrow, I expect the prices to go up. So let's see how we trade today. So natural gas has pulled down a little bit. I'm gonna do a. I already have so many shares, so I'm just gonna buy in chunks of 50. This morning I was buying in chunks of 100. So let's see how today goes. Alright, got filled at 20.58. Not bad. I just found the 50 at so there's a little bit of a pull down. See. Right, another 50 got filled at 20.52. Alright, on 1 minute chart, like the MACD looks like it's turning around. Well, it could still go down, who knows. But the chances of it going up is more. Okay, looks like it got rejected by the EMA. It looks like there is another attempt to cross over the EMA, let's say. Alright. So it just crossed over the EMA, and the MACD is also about to cross over on the 1 minute chart, as you can see here. Another reason is, like, on the 5 minute chart, you can see there is this green SMA line that is acting as a support, and so far, the bodies are mostly above this SMA line. So let's see if it continues to go up. Then another VWAP line here might act as a resistance. So that's something that we should take into consideration. Alright, looks like it came down to the EMA line and bounced back up. So that looks pretty good. Now let's see if it clears the middle VWAP line. So currently I have like 2200 shares. I bought 100 around this area, like in chunks of 50. So I had two trades. I usually buy in chunks of 100, but my position size is already so high, and I just want to take advantage of the opportunity. So I just bought 100 more. And like it's, I mean, as it is, my position size is very high compared to my account size. I really, ideally, like I wouldn't invest more than half of my account size, but I'm willing to take the risk. You know, and I do have like some money left to do risk management. So when it comes to the middle VWAP line, I might sell sell a few shares. Yeah, like since like if you compare the pre-market trading, we have resistance here, around this area. So 2.492, that'll be a good area to sell some stocks. I'm gonna put an alert here. I'm gonna see if it clears the VWAP. You know, if it clears the VWAP, then my target will be this area for the 100 that I just bought. And this resistance line here is and now looks like it got rejected by this support line, meaning it's like continuing to fall down. On 5-minute chart, it's like at the green SMA line, and looks like it bouncing back from there. So yeah, okay, cool. So it bounced back from here, so still looking good. And nothing ever goes straight up, so like we need to be confident in our analysis to be able to hold on to our position. Alright, so as of now, like we see the stock prices dip down here and then again here, but the bounce was like higher than that, so that's looking good. And then we have MACD, which is making higher lows, so that's looking good as well. Same thing with RSI, like RSI dipped down into the oversold area. On this side it was a little bit higher, and again it was a little bit higher, the bounce was a little bit higher. So that's looking good. That is an indicator that stock will continue to go up. Right, so we have this diagonal trend line. So let's see if it cross. Alright guys, so as you can see, it did cross that trend line and this trend line, and then it's at the middle VWAP, and looks like it might get rejected there. Let's say it bounce backs from the EMA line. Still above the trend line, so that's okay for now. If it goes below that trend line, then we have a problem. Five-minute chart, let me put it up. So the 5-minute chart, it looks like it's turning around, so still looking good. Let's see. Because my account size is my position size is so big. Small movements make big changes in my profit and loss. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. If you have large account size, your profits and losses will be larger as well. So in the beginning, it's always good to uh, keep a track of your position size, because when you first start trading, you focus on the dollar value more than the percentage gain or loss. So these numbers, as of now, don't mean anything because my profits are not realized. I haven't sold my stock, so these numbers don't mean much. It could go down, it could go up. These are not my profits yet. Let's see if this summit clears the metal VWAP. A lot of beginner traders think that trading is boring, and in the beginning, that what I experienced as well. But when you understand how the stock moves, how it's bouncing back and forth from the EMA line, the VWAP, what's going on. Once you start understanding, it's very exciting. And you might hear from a lot of traders that they can't wait for Monday morning. They can jump and start trading. Weekends are pretty boring. Nothing much is going on during the weekend, and trading is like, once you understand it, just captivates your mentality, your imagination, and then this is what you think all the time. And a lot of people advise against trading all day. Some people just trade in morning hours, but I'm still in the learning phase, so I understand a few things, but I do still do a lot of mistakes. And I'm not like quick enough. One thing that is on my to-do list is to learn trading on Think and Swim platform, because the interface is much cleaner. Um, you know, uh, there isn't the trade process itself is streamlined. It's not as clunky as Robinhood. So I might do that over the weekend, and maybe make a video out of that. How about that? Okay, looks like it bouncing back from that trend line. Let's see. Yeah, it's like mid-morning, so things are moving slow. Oh, it broke below that trend line, but still above the lower channel. On 1 minute chart, it's in the oversold area. So we had some more to my size. It's 500. Let's say 36. See if I get filled. Yeah, maybe I thought about it a little too long. And just like that, came back up. Alright, that looks very bullish. And if you look at the 5 minute chart, the body of the candle is still above that green SMA line. So these are the things that could throw you off, throw off your analysis. But the trend still seems upside. It's still keeping above this SMA line. So trend is still up, and it came with good force. So let's see if it crosses over this middle VWAP. The 1 minute chart is you can see the MACD has turned around. On the 5 minute chart also the MACD has turned around and crossover to the upside. So I'm pretty confident that it will clear the middle VWAP. Maybe not. It's still getting rejected from that middle VWAP. But that kind of makes sense because like all morning it's been acting as most of the morning it's been acting as support from here at 6:30 a.m. from here, definitely here and in this area, and now it's acting as resistance. And I'm getting a little iffy about it, so I'm just gonna sell 100 that I bought, and alright, I just went above a little bit. I mean, once it goes above this VWAP line, uh, it looks pretty clear. Like there's a resistance here at the SMA, but it's not as strong as the middle VWAP. And it went up, and then let's see if it bounces back to the upside. Yeah, it's now I'm kind of like little iffy if it's gonna go above that VWAP line. There's still a good chance that I will bounce from the EMA and then continue to go up. The MACD looking good on both 1 minute chart and the 5 minute chart. Alright, bounce from the EMA, so that's looking good. Just crossed below the EMA line. Yeah, it's not making much sense right now. Five minute is looking good. You know, I think on 5 minute we have confirmation of it going up. So let's see. And you can see it's going sideways. It's not doing anything, it's going sideways, up and down. Yeah, as for the indicators, I'm pretty confident that it should go up. Let's see. Let's see if it crosses over and keeps going this time. Yeah, I think I should sell the 100 that I just bought during the live stream. Because I still see that green SMA line that could act as a resistance. Alright. Alright, sold. Alright, so actually I only sold 30. Yeah, I didn't sell the whole 100 yet. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at this. Like I still have a lot to sell. So if it sells at $20.80, so be it. The overall direction seems to be up. I will update in the evening how my day went. About 5 p.m. After the trading stops for natural gas. At 4 p.m. the trading in general stops, but natural gas keeps trading until 5 p.m. and then the market closes. But in Robinhood, there is after-hour tradings until 6 p.m. Sometimes I trade until 6 p.m. But I will make an update at 5 p.m. So take care and good luck, guys. For now, it's been a long stream. I need to take care of a few things, and I will catch up with you guys in the evening. Take care and bye.